Hi and welcome back. Welcome to another video. My name is Lori, but I think you guys already knew that. Hey, so just want to give you a quick update. We had to take sick leave or we were going to lose it. You know how you you accrue it. Well, we had to take some sick leave or else we were going to lose that. And it's paid time off. So anyway, let's get into this video. So I did record these already, but I recorded them about 2.5, well, let's see, it's been almost 3 weeks at least. And I watched the videos when I was getting ready to edit them. And I gotta say, there's no way I was gonna put these up. You could see that I did not feel good. So let's jump into this. These are the GLAM BAG X's. This is the GLAM BAG X. This is for November, and this one is for the Beauty Over 50 profile. So we're just going to dip right into this one real quick, and let's see if we can't get through this box quickly. So, yeah, I got to say, guys, you know, my deepest apologies. I just have been off. I think it's the holidays. I think the holidays just burn everybody out. This one, as I mentioned, is for the Beauty Over 50. So this is for my alter ego. Basically, it's the alter ego. Oh, I'm making a lot of noise. Listen, I have about 8 boxes I have to unbox tonight and get recorded. 2 of them are repeats, but it takes a little for Stella to get her groove back, okay? Why was there no Mask Monday? Well, because I took sick leave. All of us, party of 5, we were all on vacation. Okay, sick leave, vacation, it's all the same. Okay, so I went through these, and like I said, I already recorded this. What happened was I did what is called a open it up while I'm recording. So I had no idea what the heck was going on here. I do not like to unbox that way. I've told you guys that, and I'll tell you that 100 times. I do not like to be surprised when I see inside the box, because the videos will take forever and I end up stumbling all over the place. So this does have my refreshments in it. They are these, so I do get my blades, my shaver head blades, and I do get the shave lotion. This is the pillowy shave cream. This is the citrus spritz. So this did come, it came in the box. And there were 2, are you going to count the right way tonight? Because I'm telling you right now, you could go sit somewhere else if you're not going to count right. There were 2 add-ons, and we'll just get those out of the way first, okay? So the 111 Skin, this one was an add-on that was in, they packed everything, sorry about that. They packed everything in the same box. And this is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I know it seems like this is probably going to be a long video, but believe me, I'm going to do everything I can in my power to condense it down. So it is a really pretty rose gold. So that was one. And then I also, because I love this mascara, this is the mascara by Thrive. This was my add-on as well. This is the Liquid Lash Extensions mascara. It's actually what I have on my eyes. And it's length and volume, long wear. So I love this stuff. And although the tube can be very weighted, it does help with my grip. And my hands hurt really bad tonight too, because I was filling out Christmas cards and got them. They're all off in the mail. I still have a few more to go. Some people I don't have their address, so I just may tell you Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from me to you. All right, let's dig into this darn thing. This was the November 2021. It was Huda KATTAN, and she was our curator. So I did expect a little bit more from her. To me, one box was a complete fail. The other was not, and you'll see why. You get this little magazine. You have to search and hunt the entire thing to find out what it is that ended up in your box, what came from her, what didn't come from her. Unless you're one of those people that is just, you know, like you're totally studying these things and you know exactly what's going on, then hey, you know what? I say more power to you, and leave me a comment down below if for some reason I make a mistake on this one. Okay. Other than that, just sit there quietly. I appreciate it. Just put your hand down. I'll call on you in a minute. Put your hand down. Okay, so Huda's picks, these are the most trusted products that she curated just for us. There is the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. Easy Bake Loose Baking, okay, and Setting Powder comes in at $34. There's also the Wishful, which is the Yo Glow, and that's the scrub. And then another one from Wishful, which is, this is her skincare. So, I mean, I don't mind that those two were kind of, you know, some Wishful, some Huda. And that's the Honey Balm Moisturizer. And then there's another one by Wishful, which is the Thirst Trap Juice HA3 Peptide Serum. And then also by Huda Beauty, there was the Haze Obsessions eyeshadow palette. And then who she partners with, which is by her sister Mona, the Kayali, and that is vanilla. So those are of the 6 items that you could have received from her. And I believe there's 2 items, or just bear with me on this one. I think there's only 2 of those items that you're going to get. Now, we did get to customize some of this, so I'm not too worried about it. And then, like, as I said, you're just going to keep on floating through this magazine here until you end up finding what it is that came in your box. I don't have the time to sit here and go through this stinking National Enquirer just to tell you what I got. So here we go. We're going to do it in the quick version. Okay. So the first item that we got was by PMD. And I did get 2 of these, so don't worry about it. When I do the second box, we'll just whiz right through it if there are any duplicates. This came in at $99. It is in the color, what was the color of it again? Warmth. And then there is a gold Fadden. So this is the gold Fadden. It is the Needleless Line Smoothing Concentrate. So that's another one I received. Prices will be on the bottom of the screen. Don't worry about it. I will give you the total value of the box as well. Next one is by Sunday Riley. This is the Clean Rinse Clarifying Scalp Serum. So, and believe me, looking all over that newspaper just to find these things was, it was a little bit of a task. And then by Huda Beauty, I received the Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. We'll open this one up. Why not? Looks like milk. Looks like coconut milk. See what this is like, huh? It smells like watered down coconut. It really does. And boy, I'll tell you something right now. The spray on it needs to be, it's clogged. It is very clogged. This is the hair or the scalp serum. Almost looks like hair dye, right? In a bottle like hair dye. Just letting you know that's what it looks like. And then we received something by Rare Beauty. It should be in here. Oh, here we... Okay, so this is by Rare Beauty. And does it have a color? It's a Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm. Very pretty, huh? Kind of reminds me of a horse trough. You know? Because of the way it's designed, it's like they flattened it out there. But this one here is like a lip gloss, like the topper. Now, the next one, which is the Purple Haze, this one was my pick. This is the eyeshadow palette. It's the Purple Haze. And this is one that I did not have. I do have a lot of her little 9-pan. This one I did not. So I was actually glad that I got something I didn't have. There you go. Very pretty colors. Very pretty colors. We don't have time to swatch these things. Just hang on a sec. Very dry. Very dry. Sorry guys, it feels like grit, sandy grit. Why am I apologizing? It's not my company. So we're doing this one right here. And then these two. Just, I mean, why not, right? Ready? Those are pretty colors. I could have wore those tonight. So it's this one, and that one. Pretty. You know, I really do need to. I'm keeping some of my little eyeshadow pans, like right here behind me on this. Well, almost all of my eyeshadow palettes are there and behind me. But ones that I want to just be able to grab real quick and do a fast look. Like tonight, I'm wearing the Il Maquillage, the little 4 quad. Wait, now you don't know how to count either? Dear Lord Almighty. The little 4 little quad. It's very pretty, very weighted, real like that silvery chrome mirrored. You guys remember those? Okay. All I did was use 2 colors on my eyelids. I just wanted to keep it clean, crisp, and almost like I didn't have any makeup on at all. Okay, so that was pick number 1. My pick number 2 is by Freck, and this is the Cactus and Vitamin C Moisturizer. Yes, it does say what it says. You are reading that correctly. Not for resale. Okay. Cactus plus Vitamin C Moisturizer. It's in that aluminum. I don't like these the aluminum tubes. I don't like them. You have to cut them open to get the rest of the product out of them. And then pick number 3 is by Terry. This is the Hyaluronic Hydro Powder. I don't know. I know. It's Demon Child. Feels very cheap. Packaging feels very cheap. The setting powder in it. It's colorless. Okay. I'm not a big, okay, let me say that. I'm not somebody who knocks a product because the packaging is cheap. If you ask a question to a lot of people, would you rather have a top-notch quality product, meaning what's inside this plastic, or would you rather exchange it for, it's an okay product, but as long as the packaging is pretty? I'm sorry, but the packaging is providing me nothing but a higher price. I would rather have the cheap, lightweight packaging and have a very good powder inside that little container. But that's just me. That's it. That is everything for my Glam Bag X. Okay, so I will have a total for you right up here, and we're just gonna dive right into the next box, okay? Because I want to try to get both of them out of the way. It is going to get a little bit confusing for some people. I know we're already past it. However, there are some people that are still waiting for their Ipsy Glam Bag X. You'd be surprised. All right. You guys stay tuned, because there is another video coming up, and it is the Lady Lori Ipsy Glam Bag X for November. But don't worry about it. That video will be very short, because anything that is duplicated, I'll just let you know I have it. We'll skip right on by and move on to the next thing. Okay, does it sound like a plan? All right. All right, you guys, thank you very much for spending just a little bit of time with me. And as always, the first video of the night does take me a little bit to get my groove back, but I appreciate your patience. All right, you guys, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.